Have you ever frozen during a conversation because you didn't know what to say next? Today, I'm going to teach you how to respond naturally in English without sounding robotic or nervous. Natural responses make you sound friendly, fluent, and approachable. It's not about using big words, it's about small, natural reactions. Get ready to sound fluent, confident, and relaxed. Let's start. Someone shares good news. That's awesome. No way. That's amazing. Wow, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. That's fantastic news. You totally deserve it. Good for you. I'm thrilled to hear that. Someone shares bad news. I'm so sorry to hear that. That must be tough. I hope things get better soon. I'm here if you need anything. That's really unfortunate. Stay strong, you've got this. Let me know if I can help. I'm thinking of you. You don't know the answer. I'm not sure, but I can find out. Good question, I'll have to think about it. I'll get back to you on that. That's something I need to look into. I'm not 100% certain. I'll check and let you know. That's beyond my knowledge right now. I wouldn't want to guess, let me confirm first. Someone asks for your opinion. Honestly, I think. In my opinion. From my perspective. If you ask me. I believe that. It seems to me that. The way I see it. Personally, I would say. You agree. Exactly. Totally. I couldn't agree more. You're absolutely right. For sure. No doubt about it. That's spot on. I'm with you on that. You disagree, politely. I see your point, but I'm not so sure about that. I get what you're saying, but I feel I see it a little differently. I respect your opinion, but here's another thought. Maybe, but have you considered? That's an interesting idea, though I think I have a different take on this. How to respond when you're surprised? No way. You're kidding. Seriously? That's unbelievable. You've got to be kidding me. Oh wow. What? Are you serious? I can't believe it. How to keep a conversation going? Really? Tell me more about that. What happened next? How did that make you feel? That's interesting. Why do you think that is? I've never thought about it that way. Can you explain? Oh, that reminds me of. What do you usually do about that? Have you ever tried? Challenge for you. If someone close to you shares, I'm feeling stressed about my project. What is your response? Comment below. Let's see the different answers. Check the comment section for my natural response. Natural English isn't about speaking faster, it's about reacting like a real person. Start practicing small, daily reactions, and you'll feel more fluent and confident every day. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real English speaking tips.